What year model's this?
Well, the chassis is an 87 3/4 ton GMC.
Right.
The cab is 83 Peterbilt 359. Right.
Got it.
But then the engine and transmission come out of a 94 1-ton Dodge Ram, so it's a Cummins diesel.
Okay. Could you mind tipping the hood? Finished. Yeah. Wow. That's cool. That's a half Pete, you call it. That's very cool.
Yeah, I left it out in the rain one too many times and it shrunk.
This truck didn't come from Peterbilt, did it? I thought so. I'm from Rhode Island, so I haven't seen this thing in a long time.
Yeah, no, I've had it 27 years.
Yeah, I would say I don't remember them that well. They weren't in business when I was C line was, but the dealership wasn't.
Morning, Rick. How are you?
Yeah, that's what we
You're going to be famous now. This guy's worldwide. Recording.